Hello guys! In this video I am going to show you where you can check your achievements in the Twist application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the achievements button at the bottom of the page on the right. And as you can see, here are all the achievements that you can get, and as you can see, I haven't achieved any of them, but if you scroll down, you will be able to see what you need to do to get them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.